ing inin ni. Mayong hapon ninyong tanan da mga igala makaigsuonan. Mangita sa kong tugtog gani. Nagbabalik na naman si Kukoy, ang batang kulukoy. And welcome sa ating What's in the Box. Ayan. I just wanted to tell everyone that if you're watching right now, yes, to all of our friends who are always watching in our video, thank you very much for watching. And we will be having right now a What's in a Box. And I look like an Indian right now, so I have Samsung A12 mga koy. Samsung A12. Tingnan natin koys no, mag-unboxing muna tayo ng Samsung A12 koys. So this kuan pa gini siya koys kaning wala pa naka-sealed pa gid siya koys no. So this is Samsung A12 mga koys. Tanawon na to kung unsa ang naa sa Samsung A12. So sa ating What's in the Box mga kapamilya, dapat nakalike na kayo sa ating page. Ayun, Samsung A12. Unsang nasa Samsung A12 mga koys. Siya mo ni ang bagong offerings ng Samsung. Itong Samsung A12. Yan. So ito mga koys ay ayan, basahon sa nako diri ang unsay naa sa Samsung A12. Dara gi-post na ko ganina ni siya koys ang Samsung A12 koys. So ano siya media na siya 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, 48MP main camera with macro depth sensor and wide lens. Grabe ang lens ani koys. So perfect kay ni siya no sa mga gusto mag-vlogger, gusto kuan guys kaning gusto mahimo og 128GB sound sa nakadede. Abrihan sa ako mag-unboxing sa ako before ta mag-What's in the Box. Unboxing the Hi Maris! Please don't forget to share muna natin ito para marami ang magkaroon ng chance to win mga kapamilya no. So share lang muna tayo. Share it kasama si DJ Kokoy. Mag-unboxing muna tayo ng ating Samsung A12. Ayan, panana pala. Samsung A12. Ayan. Hello. Mag-kuan sa ko mag-share sa ko ani sa ato ang mga page koys. Ayan. Nindot kay ni koys kaning Samsung A12 kay perfect kay ni siya para sa mga gusto og mga online class. So abrihan sa nako koys ha. Ayan, unboxing. Unboxing. Ganahan ko aning effects guys kay mura ko kuan guys no. So I have to talk to you in Indian. Hello everyone, if you're watching right now, I just wanted to tell you that we will be giving away cell phone from Weltelcom. All you need to do is just to first you need to like the page Weltelcom right now. It's Weltelcom and we are unboxing this the newest Samsung A12. This is from Samsung A12, everyone, and if this is really nice because we will see what is in the inside, and as what I have noticed that this is face and fingerprint recognition, 6.5 inches IP screen, and what is the dual SIM slot with expandable storage, and also Android 10 OS and USB Type-C with audio jack. So I'm opening it right now. So this is unboxing the Samsung A12. So I need to unbox it right now. And before we will have a game of What's in the Box. So first and foremost, everyone, if you're watching, you need to... thank you, Washington. If you're watching right now, thank you very much. Ayan, if you have to share this video right now. And then we are unboxing the Samsung A12. And you know what, we will see what is in the inside of the cell phone right now. So thank you very much for watching, and you have to share this video and for you to have a chance to join our game. It's What's in the Box from Weltelcom. Thank you very much, Weltelcom. So there you go. I'm opening it now. So this is the shield. I open it with the shield. So this is it. And this is it. Inside of the Samsung A12 Yes, Samsung A12. Okay. A12 Samsung is one of also very handy and very useful for online classes, and for one who wanted to become, to become what we call that, a vlogger. If you become a vlogger, then you can have this. It's very nice because it will just, I will share it first. Okay, I will share it first to our audiences, and so that they can join. Okay, thank you very much. If you're watching and you can't, do you hear me? Do you hear what I'm saying? Okay, and thank you very much. So I will share it first to our pages. So here is the pages. And aside from that, thank you very much. I have my Kumo program. That is Komo Kokoy. Thank you for watching, and I'm so very happy and glad that you are giving me a countless chance to, be with me. So thank you, very awesome, all of you guys. And I'll be going back to India sooner, and I will but give it to you. This is a wonderful gift for your loved ones, for your what do you call that, loved ones and families and friends. So unboxing first before our game. Okay, I'm so excited also. This is it. This is it. Our unboxing of Samsung A12. So there you go. So this is the what is this? Okay, something is inside in here. My oh my god. I'm not selling it. I will be giving it to you. So there you go. This is the cell phone. So I open it. This is very big cell phone. My god, it is nice. Very nice cell phone. I think it's very thin, and if you're using it, it's very durable. That's what I have said a while ago, that it's a MediaTek MT765 with Helio 35, and then 4 GB for RAM and 128 GB for storage. This is very affordable, and then you have to check it out from Weltelcom, and Weltelcom is from the mall, so you can buy it very affordably. And you see, this a camera at the back. This is a 4 camera. The 4 camera will be useful if because the camera is 48 milliampere main camera with a macro depth sensor in wide lens. Okay, and then 6.5 inches as what you have seen. 6.5 inches with 4 camera. Oh, what happened to my bungot? So this is it. Okay. And then I have the what we call this, the Samsung what we call this, USB Type C with audio jack. Oh, there you go. This is the audio jack. So there is it. And I am telling you that this is really wonderful kind of cell phone. So thank you for watching, everyone, and share it to your friends right now so that they can have the Samsung Galaxy A12. Again, the specs of this MediaTek MT765 Helio 35 and 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Okay, 128 GB storage for only what we call the 7,990 with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Check it out in Weltelcom. This is really amazing. So I will check it first. So there you go. I will check it if you are done sharing also. So this is it. This is our cell phone. This is Samsung A12. Samsung A12 is now available in Weltelcom, and very affordable price. So there you go. Okay, so this is it. Samsung Galaxy A12 right now again is 5000 milliampere fast charge and 6.5 inches IP screen, and also face and fingerprint recognition. And aside from that, is dual SIM slot with expandable storage and Android 10. That is really wonderful, of course. And then they have USB Type C and audio jack, and perfect for gift of your loved ones, and no lags, no COD mobile and mobile agent, no lag at all. And of course, reliable user interface and operating system, good camera and audio. I tell you, this is good camera in audio, and if you can use it right now, then probably I guarantee all of you that this is really amazing. It's what you call a very slim type. It's a slim type, and then you can see the Samsung Galaxy 12, which is original. I'm not selling not original, but I'm not selling right now because this is not a sale. This is not an online selling. This is a game for our watch in the box. And if you're watching, you have to share it now to your loved ones. Maybe all of your loved ones can also have this. One Samsung Galaxy A12. It is now available on any Weltelcom nationwide. Weltelcom, okay? Just follow. Again, follow and share. You have to like also the what we call the Weltelcom page, so that all of you will have a chance to win our cell phone. Since this is a very wonderful cell phone, because as what I have said, it's 6.5 display, quadruple camera, and a fingerprint. There's a camera at the back. This is the camera, and I'm telling you that if you win this, it is really an amazing experience from Samsung. So this is it. So while having unboxing of this Galaxy, so we have a battery inside and everything in one box only. So there you go. So we will start now. What's in the bag? It's what's in the box, but I have what's in the bag. Okay, so you need to the clue. Okay, first the mechanics of the game. All you need to do is just to, I tell you, all you need to do. Mick, is that Mick, the teacher Mick watching right now? Oh my goodness, the teacher Mick, one of my crush is watching on me. I'm very shy. I'm very shy because Mick is watching me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, thank you very much. Now, this is really awesome. I tell you, you have just to, all you need to do is just to answer the question. And then first and foremost, the mechanics of the game, you have to screenshot that you already like the page of Weltelcom. On my caption, there's a Weltelcom. So you need to do it. You have to do it so that you can win the cell phone. This is Samsung A12. Oh my goodness, before it's 9,000, but now you can buy it on Weltelcom 7,999 only. So this is it. What's in the box? Okay, the clue of what's in the box. First, the mechanics. Of course, the first one who can answer the right answer, you are the big winner, of course. There's only one, because I only have one cell phone. I cannot tapal this because I don't have any money anymore. No more 5, 6. I can tell you that you have to answer what's in the box. What's in the box? Okay, I don't have any box, so I have a bug. What's in a bug? Okay, I'm telling you the mechanics of the game. You need to really have to like our page. It's Weltelcom, and after liking the Weltelcom, you need to share this video to your friends. You need to share it, because we will see it if you're not sharing or not. Because if you're not sharing, then you can answer and then you are disqualified. Okay, I tell you the mechanics of the game is very simple. All you need to do is just to follow and like our oh oh my god, I don't think that's Mick. Okay, thank you. Joros, thank you for watching. Joelyn, thank you very much. So okay, the mechanics again, I will tell you. The mechanics of the game is I need to hit bang my head just like this for me to become a very effective very effective very effective in my field of work right now, because this is really wonderful. What we call this is this is what we call the online selling, but we're not online selling because I'm just in the house right now. So there you go. What we're going to do now is just to follow the mechanics first before before answering the what's in the box. Okay, thank you very much. So this is it. We will start now. And 1, 2, and 3. We will start now. Again, the mechanics I will tell you. Disqualified if you did not like our Facebook page. No liking of Facebook of Weltelcom, you're disqualified. No sharing of this video, you're disqualified. You need to share it. You need to like the Facebook page of Weltelcom, and absolutely the mechanics should be followed religiously, okay, so that all of you will be very happy, okay? Thank you. Oh my goodness, very beautiful lady SP Odolio is watching also right now. Oh my goodness, they are watching. All of my friends from Lady Boss. Thank you so much for our launching is on February 18 at the Tagum City. So be there at Lady Boss. But right now it's for Weltelcom. I'm giving away Samsung A12. This is Samsung A12. This is really amazing because you know what? This is a very wonderful cell phone. You can use it on your what you called it in your online classes, and you can also use this Samsung on your vlogging because it has what we called 4 lenses. I told you there have a 4 lenses. Okay, this is a 4 lens. Okay, I can see this is already the original phone Samsung. I don't guess it the what you call it the cellophane because if you're winning this you will get disgusted because I open it. I just wanted to see. I just want you to see it. Okay, so what's in the box right now? I will give you right now the what we call that I will give you the clue. The clue of this, what's in the box is, this is what we are using in our kitchen. We're using it in our kitchen. Oh my God. We're using it in our kitchen and this is kind of food. This is also like a food. When we use it, we what we called it, we put it in what we call that in our kitchen and in our food. So the clue of this. Oh, thank you very much, SP. Thank you for watching, SP. You're such a beautiful girl. Oh my goodness, beautiful girl wherever you were. Oh my goodness, we have to answer what's in the box. They are calling it charger. No, this is not a gadget. This is not a gadget. I'm telling you, this is not a gadget. I'm telling you. Okay. This is not a gadget. This is what we call we can see it in the kitchen. Okay, we can see it in the kitchen, and then they use it also in you know what, making foods, and then they use it as one of the ingredients in the food. Or Ronel Otero is saying Betsin, oh my goodness, garlic. There was a garlic and salt and pepper. Shane is answering column it by Joros, onion, curry powder. Oh my goodness. Gengkang po mayor mami sandok. You're telling me sandok. Oh my goodness. That's walang oh my god. Oh my god. There's a lot of people answering. Oh my goodness. Star anise, magnesium glutamate, Yvette Kabakan, and Sheila May is a seasoning. Okay, you need to be specific of what you are answering. Magic syrup? Oh my goodness. Okay, you can answer a lot of this. And hot pepper, Ansky, and it is curry powder and food coloring. Luya, and they're telling it Loya. Oh my goodness, I have to answer. There is no right answer right now, so you need to get the right answer. Kitchen knife or Joros is telling me, Yasin. Oh my god, soy sauce and vinegar. Very good. Oh my goodness, not yet. You need to answer the question very fast right now. Okay, I will put my music. Okay, so that iodized salt. Oh yeah, beans, pepper powder, rock salt. Oh my god, Kylie Loretta, food coloring powder, turmeric. Oh my god, I love it, turmeric. Garlic? Oh no. I told you this is also an ingredient in making food, and sometimes you can. This one is very what we call it, not easily spoiled. Oh my god, is spoon. Oh my god, turmeric and garlic. Okay, you need Ajinomoto breading mix. Joros is telling me Ajinomoto breading mix. Oh my goodness. Iron rock salt, chocolate syrup, and chocolate syrup. My god, Nor cubes. Bet you're answering Melvin iodized salt. Oh my god. Curry powder. Alan Torres, thank you. Sinigang mix. Oh my god, you're on your way. Soy sauce in Jesse. Evet is not liquid seasoning. And generally, oh my god, flour. Ronnie is telling me flour. And Joris is some palak mix. Oh my god, not yet, not yet. Silver is won. Oh, not yet, not yet. So you need to answer the what is pepper? Salted pepper to taste. Oh my goodness. This is you will found it in the kitchen, and at the same time you will found it also what in your in making foods. Yeah, like when you eat something and you're putting it a little bit so it will become very very delicious. Okay, butter. Tita Venus is actually butter. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just curry powder. Cherry, Exim, and Jonali as telling cumin seeds, and Joros is some pile of mix. Oh my god, Joros. Oh my god. Michael John, oh, Bombay. Ah, we're not selling anything right here. We're making you having a fun and an opportunity for you to have this cell phone. It's Samsung A12. Okay. But you need to answer the question and the mechanics. I told you the mechanics of the game is very simple. All you need to do is just to the caption. There's a welcome. You need to like the page and then you have to screenshot. And then after that you need to share it. Share this video to your friends. And that's it. That's it. Oh my goodness, someone is watching me. It's Paulo Linote. Oh my goodness, one of the best faces of Lady Boss. Thank you. How much is Sandok? Oh my god, turmeric water. Their mine is water. And barbecue mix or chili powder. Oh my god, you need to answer the exact answer for you to be able to have this Samsung Galaxy A12. Oh my god, if you're using it for vlogging, using it and also in different kinds of your job and online classes, it's very useful. This is Samsung Galaxy A12. Oh my god. Oh, thank you very much. SP is watching right now. Oh my god. I just wanted to tell you that one of the beautiful faces of Lady Boss, SP in Paula, is watching me. I'm very scared. I'm very scared right now. I think I'm scared. This is it. You need to answer chili powder, Maja, and tolerance and Janel. Oh my God! Shout out visible. You're visible. I can watch you. Brings in bottled water. Bottled water. Yeah, that is also found in the kitchen. I know it's found in the kitchen. But this is the clue. I tell you, the clue. You will find it on the kitchen. This is one of the also ingredients in making food. And you know what? This kind of ingredient is used for not for sweet foods, like sweet foods. If you want your food to become sweet, you will use it. Yes. Gibasa paasa kayo. Hazel. Oh, what is that? Oh, cooking oil and not chicken cubes. Oh my God. Chili powder, soy sauce. Oh, just answer a lot of questions. Okay, right now sugar. I think sugar is a little bit really something. Tangled, well, lemongrass. I think a lemongrass. Cumin powder, cinnamon powder, and cheese. Oh, that's good. More of it. Oh, Ann is already watching. Hi, Ann. Thank you for watching. And Tita Venus. White sugar. I think it's more of using it in what you call that. Another clue is you will find it on the kitchen, but not all kitchen in your families, of course. So all you need to do is shout out to Orilla family, Brown Sugar Precious, thank you for watching. Sandy, thank you to Dodoy, my hair cutter watching right now. I just do regards to all of you. Lucy is pineapple juice, milk. Oh my goodness, garden's milk, white sugar. You need confectioning sugar. Oh my God, you have to answer the baking powder. Namaste, Radha Sumiji. We're watching my Indian friends from India, of course. We're watching right now. Thank you. Adding cheese, confectionery sugar, pineapple chocks. It's not pineapple chocks. Oh my God. Chocolate bird. Cinnamon. Love Maris, thank you for watching. Share our video, Love Maris, so that everyone can answer. This is it. This is Samsung A12. Oh my God, Chalapi, thank you, Chalapi. Ligutom watching right now, Chalapi. Thank you, Chalapi, and I hope your family are very not in a good relationship right now, and you're very happy. And again, for those who are just new in our game, this is Watch in the Box, and this is brought to us by Weltilcom from Samsung A12. Samsung A12, this is it, the Samsung A12. So you have to answer what's in the box, what's in the box, what is inside in this box. This box is something, okay? The clue of this box again, I told you, everyone who are watching right now, you need to follow the mechanics. All-purpose flour, butter, mascovado, chocolate flavor liquid, banana blossom, Maggi Sabor liquid seasoning. Oh my God. Yes. I told you this is what we use also in the kitchen, but our friends are watching right now. Thank you. And paprika powder condensed. Shout out from Batan. Thank you for watching. Cocoa powder. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I saw milk powder. Star Anise, thank you for watching. Evop, powdered milk. Oh my God, Joros, honey, maple syrup, banana ketchup. Hello, watching from Bacolod, thank you for watching. Caramelized sugar, pineapple chunks, nata de coco. Oh my God, coconut powder. Thank you. Just more answer. More answer. Okay, I will first share it first to your loved ones and friends so that they can answer also. Oyster sauce. Shout out watching from Hong Kong. Walking Aini. Condensed milk. Banana blossom. Oh my God, there's a lot of friends watching right now in our video. Coloring powder, curry powder. Watching from Tagum Jezebel. Oh my God, our winner is very our friends who are watching our page right now. Thank you. Evaporada, my God, surrender. Are you surrendering? Oh my God. The clue that I am telling you is very simple. I told you the clue is very simple. Okay, straight in the kitchen. Just in the kitchen, I told you. Oh my God. Okay, dried mango, tablia. Watching from Jensen Jovenel. Thank you, Joris. Tablia, oh my God. Olive oil. Namaste everyone. If you're watching from different parts of the world, thank you for watching. Watching from Bahrain, Hannah Corfin, thank you for sharing our video. And Ajani Ambre, okay, oyster sauce, nata de coco, Analia Basilio, thank you. Dairy cream, buttermilk, oyster sauce, ketchup, fresh milk. Oh my God. Once again, I am unboxing Samsung Galaxy A12. This Samsung Galaxy A12 has four camera. Yeah, four camera, and then this is the box. Oh my God. This is the box. This is the Galaxy A12. Burakai, thank you. Red Apple Tarung, thank you for watching. Oh my God, watching from Abu Dhabi, UAE, all of my friendship there, thank you for watching. No Roy, soy sauce, Mang Tumas, oh my God, Mang Tumas. I told you, I am watching the box. Mang Tumas, okay. We're almost running out of time. I'm watching right now here in the Middle East and Desert, Karakit Jan, thank you for watching. Oh my God, my friends are also watching right now. Thank you for sharing our video. So, I guess we have a winner already. I guess so. We have a winner already because I read it. Someone of our friends, some of our friends there are watching. Already answered the question. I told you, or you can all answer wrong. Yes, you're visible. I can watch Lucy Bellarmino. Watching from Magusan. Thank you very much. Thank you for all of our friends who are watching. definitely in our video right now. Thank you, Love Buddies, for sharing our video. I hope that vanilla extra basil. Yes, there's a lot of people watching in our video. Thank you very much. So what's in the box? I told you this is the last time. This is the last time. Okay, and you will win this Samsung A12. 9,999, but now 7,000 plus only. I told you it's 7,990 right now. The Samsung A12 is 7,990. You can check it out in the Well.com, check it out, and then you go to malls and find it. It's only 7,990. 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and 48 milliampere main camera with macro depth sensor and wide lens, and 5,000 milliampere of fast charging, and 6.5 inches IP screen. So this is it. And then face and fingerprint recognition, dual SIM slot with expandable storage, and Android 10 OS. Use Type C with audio jack. Okay. Thank you very much. I know that all of you are really watching in our video, and we have already a winner. I will announce the winner right away because I saw someone answer the question correctly. I saw the first one who answered the question correctly will have our cell phone. Oh my God! Congratulations to you. Congratulations, because I know that you are meant for this cell phone, and I know that this cell phone will be useful for your business, and very useful also for your vlogging, and because this is a very thin kind of cell phone. Samsung, it's bigger. I told you it's bigger, just like this, and very thin with four what we call four camera. Okay, I told you. And now we will open our what's in the box, because all of you are very excited who will be the one to bring home our Samsung A12. Oh my God. But the mechanics should be follow. Even if you are the one winner, the grand winner should have to follow the Wiltilcom Facebook page. It's Wiltilcom at the caption. You have to caption and screenshot, and then after that you need to tag your friends. You need to share it on your Facebook page, Facebook account, and then after that answer the correct answer of the question. Okay, this I told you sweet and sour. Oh my God, black pepper. Thank you very much. Visible. Yes, you're visible. I told you you're visible. Oh my God. So I will open it now. This is you can see it in the kitchen. Yes, the one that is inside the box. You can see it in the kitchen, and then you can use it on your cooking, and then you can use it on in your what you call that, in your food. You can eat it already. Oh my God. There's someone I saw someone already answered the right answer for this question for the what's in the box. I told you, wow, there's a lot of people answering, and I just want to say sorry for those who answered late, because the first one who answered the correct answer will be the one to have our what you call the Samsung A12. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is it. Brown sugar, soy sauce, baking powder. What's in the box? I'll open it. If your answer is true, your answer is you have the correct answer. The one who answered the first right answer is the one who will become a winner. I told you, because that's the mechanics. The first one, nobody knows the answer. Nobody knows the answer. Okay. The first one, I will validate it. The first one to answer. Yes. Thank you very much. I will get it. Congrats for the winner. Don't you worry, guys. Don't you worry. We will be giving more cell phones from Wiltilcom. I told you. Don't you worry. You can answer. You can have another chance for the next time. You can have another chance to win for the next time. Okay, don't be sad, don't be problematic. We're just happy giving away this for useful use of our friends. There you go. I'll open it right now. I'll open it. Congrats to the winner. Congratulations, winner. You are awesome and you are meant to be to have this because I saw your answer correctly. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. Congrats, winners! Charan! The right answer, there you go. The right answer is... Oh my God. This is honey syrup. Oh my God, this is honey syrup. The one who answered honey syrup, you are our winner. Congratulations, honey syrup. My God, congratulations and thank you for joining, guys. I hope that all of you have a very, very wonderful day today. Congratulations. Don't you worry. Don't you worry because you can also win this cell phone and other cell phone for the upcoming of our What's in the Box brought to us by Well Telecom. Thank you, winners. Congratulations. God bless, God bless. Namaste.